You mean everything to me. In my heart is where you be. All alone inside, I'm all alone if you ain't here beside me. You mean everything to me. In my heart is where you be. I had to leave before I see. I'm all alone if you ain't here beside me.
I just had a really stupid moment. So I'm currently looking at like apartments in Sydney because I would love to move there sometime next year. If I don't move to Sydney, then I'll probably be moving back to Melbourne. I don't know if I don't think I mentioned that in my previous video. I must have forgotten. But I'm not like planning on staying in Perth long term. I just moved here because my family wanted to move here. So I do plan to either go back to Melbourne or move to Sydney just because it's better over there for like acting and stuff. And so I've been looking at like apartments for renting, and I was just like thinking to myself, let me just check how much it would be to buy one, because you know loans exist and stuff. And then I see this apartment, right, and I'm looking at the price. I'm like, wait, $5,800 for an apartment? That's gotta be a joke. And then I realized it was $5.8 million. Like, are you kidding me? I mean, look, it's really nice, but I mean, I just had like a really stupid moment just then. Anyway, gotta go into class now because it's gonna start soon. So yeah, just thought I would give you that little update. So I want to say sorry I didn't upload a video last week. I was supposed to upload a weekly vlog from the week before that, which was the week I posted my last video. This is so hard to talk about because like, oh god, I hate like saying it, but anyway, oh, shit, I'm like balancing on my legs right now. I'm just gonna say it and I'm not gonna go into detail because then I'll start crying. But anyway, last Sunday, the 12th of November, my dog passed away. She was literally my child and my best friend, and I loved her so much. And I'm not I can't talk about it because then I'll start crying. So that's all I'm gonna say right now. It was totally unexpected, which makes it hurt more because like we weren't prepared. But yeah, that's all I'm gonna say because then I'm gonna start crying if I go into more detail. But yeah, it was really hard week last week. I obviously didn't vlog anything, and then I did want to upload the video of the weekly vlog the week prior because first of all I just couldn't edit because I was too upset about my dog. I didn't really feel like editing a YouTube video, like it wasn't my top priority. In addition to that, I also just like didn't have the heart. There's people talking outside. If the people outside don't stop talking. Anyway, I just didn't have the heart to like share the week that, knowing that that was like her last week of living. Like I don't know, I just like I couldn't do it. But I'm going to add the first couple days of that week because I just did like a Sephora haul and I know you guys will like that, and I got quite a few things, and I know you guys like my makeup content, so I'll share that with you guys. And yeah, that's about it. But now I'm going to start a new week vlog. Anyway, today I have to go film a self-tape with a friend for my online class that's tomorrow, so I'm about to go out and do that, and I better go now because yeah, I'm running on time, so I better go so I can not be late. And yeah, thank you guys for coming back to my channel. I hope you are excited for another vlog. This week's a new week. Ooh, let's try this week. Let's see how we go this week. Hopefully this week is better. Alright. Hey guys, so today is Thursday, the 9th of November, and my hair is weird. I haven't finished my hair, and I haven't finished my makeup either. I usually finish my makeup and hair just before I go to class, and yeah, I have class tonight, so I'm gonna finish it off later. Yeah, I just wanted to come on, say hi. How you doing? I bought a bunch of stuff from Sephora, and I want to show you guys, so I'm going to do that now. And also ignore the fact that my mattress has no mattress protector on it. I washed it and I haven't put it back on yet because I'm too lazy. And I just really haven't had the time, to be honest. Okay, let's get into this Sephora haul. I'm like so awkwardly sitting because you're like on my windowsill right now and I'm trying to get the height right. Anyway, let's start off with something that I'm actually really excited about because I haven't used anything like this because I have eczema and really sensitive skin, so I'm really cautious about like products I use on my like body skin, even on my face skin, but especially on my body skin. But I bought this Fenty Beauty. By the way, most of this haul is Fenty because I love Fenty and I love Rihanna. She's like my queen. Anyway, I got the Body Source Body Luminizing Tint in the shade Pearl Swirl. I'm really excited to try it out because I've always wanted to use like a body luminizing kind of product, and this slightly seems like a makeup, so it's gonna give you like slight coverage but also give you a really nice pearl iridescent glowy vibe, and that's what I want, especially now that we're going into summer here in Australia. I want to be glowing, so I got that first. And then I got this Cinema Secrets makeup brush cleaner. It's literally just like a quick on the go makeup cleaner. You just spray it on your brush and then wipe your brush on a tissue, and it just is good for in between washes of your makeup brushes. And I'm really lazy with cleaning my makeup brushes, so this happened. And then actually to go with the body luminizing thing, I got the body brush, face and body kabuki brush, that's what it's called. And then I got the Way Wave Spray because I love this. I've literally been using this for like 6 years, I want to say, and it's everything for my hair. I love it because I have naturally wavy / curly hair, so this just helps enhance the waves and curls. So I love this thing, and I did want to buy the curl cream from Way because I was using like a sample of that, but it was sold out, so I just opted to repurchasing this instead. I didn't realize how small this was because I bought the smaller size because I was like, I don't want to spend all my money to get the big size, and if I don't like it then it's a waste of money, so like let me just buy the smaller size. But I didn't realize how small it was, but it's fine. This is the Colorwell Pop and Lock High Gloss Finish, so it's meant to like make your hair look all like shiny and sleek and cute, so we'll see how it goes. It does look a bit glittery, I'm not gonna lie, but I have faith in Colorwell, so I have faith that this will be good. And then the next thing I got, as I mentioned in my previous video, my skin has been super dry lately, like extra dry than usual. I got to this Fenty Skin like travel size skincare set thing, and this is especially for dry skin, so that's why I opted for this one. It's got the Melt Off Jelly Oil Makeup Melting Cleanser, the Fat Water Hydrating Milky Toner Essence, Hydrovisor Mineral SPF 15 Moisturizer, which I have tried that moisturizer and I really liked it. I had no issues with it. And then it also comes with the Butter Drop Whipped Oil Body Cream Sample, so that's exciting to try. I mean, here's everything on the back if you want to pause and read. Yeah, I'm really excited for this. I've always wanted to try like all the other products that I haven't tried in here. So the thing I love about the moisturizer that's in here is that it has SPF in it, and also, as I said, going into summer, yeah, that's extra handy to have in addition to your normal like SPF product. And then I also got, this was such good value for money. Also, I want to say I ordered all this stuff because Sephora had like a Afterpay Day sale, so they had like 25% off if you spent over like $50 or $100 or something. I think, I can't remember, it was something like that, but I was like, unless it was 20% off, I don't remember. But anyway, I was like, I had to restock on so many products, so it was the time to do it. And then, yeah, this was such good value for money. I got this like Fenty Beauty, as you can see, Glossy Posse Volume 6.0. Anyway, it just comes with like 3 lip glosses, one of the creams, just the ordinary universal lip luminizer, and then the heat. Now, I haven't tried any of the creams or the heats before, but I'm excited to try them, and I like that this is a clear gloss, so you can literally use it on top of any lipstick and make any lip color glossy. This is in the shade Pink Dragonfly, which I haven't tried this shade, but I do love the gloss bombs, so excited for that. And then this is the cream. Now, I think the cream is meant to be like more intense and longer lasting or something like that. But this is in the shade Fenty Glow, so it's the Ordinary. My voice is just gone so weird. Yeah, it's just like the Ordinary, the original lip luminizer shade. And then I got this Fenty Beauty Poutsicle. This is a hydrating lip stain. I got the shade My Time. Yeah, it's kind of like a deep berry, and I just want to just like dot it on my lips and then blend it out with my finger and just have a really nice cute stain, especially coming to summer. As I said, just like strawberry lips, you know the vibe. And then like, you know, even put like the heat gloss on top. That'll look sick. Super excited for that because I haven't used a lip stain since I was in like high school. And then I also got the Fenty Beauty, or Fenty Skin actually, lip oil in the shade Cherry Treat. I haven't really used lip oils before, so I'm excited for this. And as I said, I love the like pinky strawberry lips, and this has like a cherry tint to it, so right up my alley. And then something that I used to use all the time in my YouTube videos and literally haven't used it since I did like makeup tutorials is the Fenty Beauty Stunner Lip Paint in the shade Unbutton. This is like such a good nude for my skin tone because I am super fair, and it's really hard for me to find like a nude lipstick that isn't like too orange or too brown, too dark, you know, on my skin tone. And this is a pretty good one. It is a little orange, but once I like pair it with a good lip liner, it doesn't look too orange. It's fine. Oh, not that it's too orange, it's a bit too peachy is what I meant to say. Yeah, it is really nice. I love this color so much. And that's it. But I did get some stuff with my Sephora points because apparently my Sephora points are gonna expire on like Boxing Day, 26th of December. I have over 6,000 points, so I have to use them. So I got this with 500 points. I got this like little Fresh Beauty skin sample product thing. So actually let's open her up and see what it is. So I got the Tea Elixir Skin Resilience Activating Serum. That's it there. I don't know what it's meant to do, but apply to the face and neck daily, morning and night. Okay, just tell me what you do. Yeah, I don't know, we'll find out. We'll find out. Hopefully it just makes me glowy. And then I got the Fresh Kombucha Facial Treatment Essence. Protect and visibly repairs, boosts luminosity, antioxidants, and advanced metabiotic. Skin essential oh, never mind. That's a different language. Anyway, that's that. Cute packaging too. Leaving skin smooth and luminous. I like the sound of that because I feel like I need that. And then for another 500 points, I got these like Sephora hair rollers because if you could see in my previous clip from me doing my hair rollers, I don't have enough big ones, and I was like, I can just get some from this and then add it with my other ones, and then I've got enough big rollers for my entire head of hair. But I like that this one has actually like extra large rollers, it seems like. Let me take it out of this thing so you can see it more properly. You can see there's like some super big ones in here, which I'm excited about. Maybe that'll be good for my bangs. That's it for my Sephora haul. Oh my god, I just remembered a really exciting purchase I just made, and I'll go grab it to show you. It's not makeup, but I'll show you. Guys, this is so cool. This is so sick. I'm obsessed. It's from Diesel, as you can see, but I got it from Farfetch because they come in clutch all the time. Can you guys guess what it is? It is a bag, and it is a white bag. Oh my god, guys. Guys, how cool is this bag? Like, are you kidding me? It's so sick. I've been really needing like a nice white bag. I have a white bag, but it's a super cheap one, and it's slightly creamy. It's not pure white. I always need like a white bag, so I was like, I've always loved the style of this bag, and I knew that if I got it in white, I would wear it a bunch of times and definitely get my money's worth. Oh, stop it. I'm wearing shorts, by the way. How cute. I am like so obsessed with this. I cannot wait to wear it. It's got like one big pocket, and then it's got even this big expanse here, so I feel like I can keep like my lip liner, lip gloss, concealer in here, makeup touch-ups. And then here's a nice big slot there. Oh, it comes with the, yes, I totally forgot about this. It comes with the crossbody, which I feel like I'll wear the crossbody a bunch. Oh my god, that is so good. I'm so excited. But yeah, Farfetch had like 25%. That's right, Farfetch had 25% off. I think Sephora just had 20% off. Yeah, Farfetch had like 25% off a bunch of items, and this was one of them. And I was like, no way, a diesel bag, a white diesel bag, 25% off. You've got to be kidding me. And then I also have shop bags, so I think I got like 10%. Was it 10%? Maybe it was 5%. I got some sort of cash back through shop bag, so saved even more money that way. How beautiful is she? I cannot wait to wear her. What am I gonna call her? It has to be something beginning with D. I have to think of a good name. Donna was the first name to come to mind, but I feel like that's too mature for her. She needs a cool name. Not that Donna's not a cool name. Donna's a nice name. It just reminds me of Carrie Diaries, Donna LaDonna. But anyway, she needs a different name, not Donna. If you have any name suggestions, let me know below, because I literally name all of my nice bags because I'm crazy. Yeah. And guys, also I just remembered a couple of other items I bought from ASOS I didn't show you guys in the last haul. So I just grabbed them so I can show you now, seeing as we're doing a little haul here. I got these like cute little pink ballet flats because, you know, ballet core is so the vibe right now, and I had to cave into the trend. These are pink ones, they're so cute, and I especially love the next ones. They are so sick. They're just these black pair, and they've got this like strapping on them. They look so nice. I am obsessed with them, and yeah, they're like the satiny kind of finish. But yeah, how cool are they? Can't wait to style these. You'll see them on my gram soon, of course. That's it for my haul. Thank you guys for watching. Now I'm gonna go do some homework for my class later, and I will see you guys before I go to class. Yay. Hey guys, so it is currently 12:23 on the 23rd of November. What are the odds? Anyway, yeah, today's Thursday, so I have my 2 acting classes later today. I just filmed a commercial audition, which like took like 2 seconds. It was just a very small audition, so we'll see how we go. But yeah, I have to do some homework for my class tonight. I have to make sure I've got my monologue for my first class memorized, and also the scene for my second class memorized, because we will be filming our scenes tonight. It's going to be an American accent, so I'm so excited about it. I love doing American accent, and my American watchers, let me know what you think of my accent. It still needs work, it's not perfect, but yeah. Anyway, I should get on to that, and I will see you guys before I head out.
Heavy words from a past life. Swear I met you around the last time. Tightrope walking eggshells. This time why I feel like hell. And I'm all alone inside. No pride, and now we stepped aside. You made me meals, you made me feel like love was more than a thrill, yeah. You mean everything to me. In my heart is where you be. All alone inside. I'm all alone if you ain't here beside me.
Okay, so I'm basically ready to go to class. I just need to hairspray this hair a bit. I have basically had this song, The Water Remix by Tyler and Travis Scott, on repeat for the past like 3 days. It's so good. I love it. Am I like too zoomed in? I don't know. Yeah, I just have to stop at the post office before class to pick up a parcel. It's one of my Black Friday orders, so I think I will be doing a little Black Friday haul in the next video, because I've actually been buying a lot. It's all things that I've been wanting for a bit. I've just been waiting for them to go on sale. So anyway, I should go. Before I go, I've got to put you guys on this. It smells so good, but they've discontinued it, is something I heard a few months ago. I hope they bring it back, because it smells so damn good. It's like a coconut and vanilla, and I think it's got pistachio in it too, but it is so good. It's like my go-to summer scent. It's by Sol de Janeiro, by the way. So good.